Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a really nice and clean 2001 Grove A60J articulating boom man lift. The machine's in good condition, has 4,034 hours. It is dual fuel, it's 4-wheel drive, and it's also 4-wheel steer. This is a 60-foot boom lift. Again, it is an articulating boom. Unit's powered by a 4-cylinder Ford industrial dual fuel engine, so it'll run on LP gas capability and on straight gas. Purpose of this video today is we're going to start, run, and work this machine, show you that it does every function it's supposed to. We've just had it in the shop, serviced it, went through it. Engine oil change, we did the hydraulic filter we actually got from Grove. We did the air filters, fuel filter, that kind of stuff. Really a good clean lift. It is all original. Can't find anything wrong with it. Again, a good running working machine. We're going to start right underneath the engine compartment. We're going to take it completely around. Right here under the engine compartment, again powered by the Ford. It's a 4-cylinder industrial dual fuel engine. Starts and runs excellent. No abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything like that whatsoever. Up here would be all your propane or LP gas. Basically valving and whatnot for that. We have not run it on dual fuel. That's something you can change over to, but it has that capability. Everything there is in good condition. The only thing we have done, I want to be very honest with people, we have a rain cap we're going to put on here because there is a rough spot here in the back of the exhaust pipe. We will have that fixed before it is sold. Okay. As far as the engine panels and stuff, everything there is very good and straight. Everything opens and closes the way it's supposed to, and the fiberglass is not busted up. Again, engine stuff we've just serviced. Everything there is good to go. Engine has no abnormal blow-by, smoke, or anything like that. Now, again, while we're here, it has the 14-17.5 OTR tires on it, approximately 75%. It is all-wheel steer and is 4-wheel drive. We will walk it down over a hill here so you can see it walk back up the hill. We have checked 4-wheel drive. Everything there works the way it's supposed to. No leaks on any of the pump motors. We did grease it. As far as the boom, structurally is in nice condition. We'll go ahead and open up this side. Underneath here at the main panel, 4,034 hours. Does have a backup APU unit or a 12-volt system where if you get an emergency situation you need to put it down if the engine shuts off. We want to show everybody that works. Basically right there you can see it's lifting the basket. We're going to go ahead and put the basket back down. That's all done off that APU unit. Not a lot of people will show you that. I want to show people that, to be 100% honest, but that is powered right here. Valving, wiring, everything there is in nice shape. Can't find anything wrong there. You'll see here, hydraulic oil tank, battery. Does have a beacon light up top. We'll pull this panel down. I'm going to go ahead and latch it, and I'll show you the access cover on this side. Does have a hasp here. Somebody put it on there so they can lock it. But right here is your engine access cover. Okay. You see tires here on this side match the other side. Boom does not have any structural welds that we have found anywhere. Again, articulating boom. So basically this will go straight up, telescope out, first section of boom. Will rotate left to right. Basket rotates left to right also. So basket's not brand new. I can see here where somebody's put a pipe in here basically to hang some things. Door latches just the way it's supposed to. Goes shut. It is an 8-foot basket, but again, the basket's had a couple, they've added some things here, I presume to carry maybe some paint buckets or whatever they were doing. The company that owned this had a little tray made basically, or a cover I should say. You take this aluminum cover, if you're letting the machine out on the job overnight, fits right over top the control panel, and there's a bungee that goes over it just to keep the weather and moisture out of it. So we were decided we got to let that go with it since it was there. Up here you have a proportionary valve type system where you can feather this out. The more you push, the faster it will go. Same with the boom, same with telescope. You have throttle speed, low and high. You have low torque and high speed ranges. You have your selection for front and rear, platform level, platform rotate, and again you have your APU here, which I have to be on platform for that to work, but you can start it right here from in the basket. Okay, so what we're going to do right now, I want to show everybody that the ground control system works. So I'm going to go ahead and fire this machine up. We're going to put the boom up and down, bring the basket up and forward, or in and out, do some of those functions so you can see that the actual ground system works. We'll go ahead, transfer it to basket. I'll shut it off, restart it from the basket to show you that every function that we can tell you works just the way it's supposed to. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off from up here. I'm going to restart it for you to show you everything there works. Emergency kill. Pull the kill back out. Press the start button. Now we're live from the button. Okay? Always engage with your pedal. It'll be your right foot or left foot, depending on the angle you're working. One other thing, this does have 110 power. All you have to do is plug in for it to work in the basket. I'm going to go ahead and run it through. basically you're going to push this pedal, platform level, platform rotate. Let's go to boom real quick. Really, that's only to be used in a case of emergency whenever you run out of gas or something like that to get yourself down. But there you can see, fellas, this lift does every function it's supposed to. Yes, I probably took a little bit more time than I should have with this video. Probably of anybody on the internet, I spend more time on videos than anybody. I like to take the time, really run the machine, get it warmed up for you, show you that it's supposed to run and work. Take a look at what I drove down over there and come back over in the high torque setting. And the reason I angled the wheels the way I did is it made you see that the four-wheel drive is working, because it's basically having to pull itself up the hill sideways, and you could see that it was working with the drive motors. It was pulling itself right up. Again, I don't have anything to hide. This lift is going to come just the way it showed. Keep in mind, you're going to need a loading dock for this. This thing weighs 21,000 pounds, I believe is what they are. So you will need a loading dock for unloading. It's going to come on a semi-truck. You know, we'll work with you there. Freight will be fairly reasonable on this. We definitely can ship this. This is not a problem. Just let us know. We'll get you a quote. Shipping like that isn't like the next day. Generally takes a few days to a week to find the right truck going your direction. Keep in mind, this is a dual fuel. We can't find anything wrong with this thing, and we've been 100% through it and checked it out. It is a used lift, but it is in good running, working condition. If you want to come by and see it yourself, I have more than nothing to hide. Just come on by. You're not going to hurt a thing here. There's gas in it. Come run it. That's the best I can do. If you have any questions, again, I'm Nick Miller. Check out our website. Should be probably close 40 photos of it on there. That's www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. There's an airport here called the Altoona Regional Airport, about 12 miles from our shop. You're more than welcome to fly in there and come check her out. It's not a problem whatsoever. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a good day.